Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy A26. TalkBack will be useful for people that are vision impaired, but also there's a chance you might want to disable it, because if you're not vision impaired, then probably this feature may be quite annoying. So let's see how to enable or disable it. At first, go to Settings, then scroll down, and you need to scroll down almost all the way, and then there will be the accessibility button. Click on that, then click on TalkBack. Now you can enable it.
TalkBack on. Welcome to finished TalkBack. Double tap to activate. TalkBack. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
And now the TalkBack is enabled, and I'm gonna quickly show you how to navigate through it, so you can go to the next or previous item by swiping right or left on your screen.
TalkBack on. TalkBack shortcut off. Settings. App info. TalkBack provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at app. Set off TalkBack shortcut. Double tap to activate.
And as you can see, it says double tap to activate, and that's exactly how you press on things. So if a thing is selected, then you just need to double tap anywhere on the screen to activate it or deactivate it, or just click on it. So if you want to enter an app, then point on it on the home screen, then activate it, then just double tap anywhere. I'm gonna drag two fingers to scroll, because I can see what's going on the screen, and then I'm gonna swipe to the on.
TalkBack on switch. Double tap to activate.
So if I want to disable the TalkBack, everything that I need to do is just double tap.
Turn off TalkBack.
Then go to the right, turn it off, and now the TalkBack is off. So that's how you either enable or disable it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.